up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason? Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
Good morning, my G's. Right now it's a nice little Tuesday morning, you know. I'm just the outside of all a nice little Tuesday morning vibes. And it's so sunny, ain't it? I'm loving it. You know, nice weather. You know. So today vlog, I'm not sure what I go on today. It's actually Monday, but you don't know when I get this Tuesday. Monday right now says Memorial Day. We'll probably go thief a grill. The neighbors have a grill over there, so we'll probably thief it and throw some swim around on it. We're not sure yet. But Labor Day, so Labor Day kind of different from Jamaica Labor Day. Labor Day, Jamaica people actually do labor. You know what I mean? Up here, I just cook out and consume food and give back nothing and do nothing. You know what I mean? So it's weird because growing up for me at Jamaica, you don't know you have to go out and primary school I get paint, somewhere I get paint, every gutter, every drain, everywhere I get clean up. You know what I mean? Every stone up on the roadside I get whitewash. So it's kind of weird when holidays like this come around and you're there foreign and you just a sit down, you know what I mean? Nothing really dead if you do. But yeah, today we just go follow them tradition and just see if we can do our own little barbecue settings, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I want tea for breadfruit too. See me can tea for breadfruit today and roast a breadfruit. Long time in the roast a breadfruit. So I see if that can go into the plan for today. I got up some soup around a day ago when I go for my father. I don't know, I bring back some goated soup, so I'm about for that's some of that in the microwave. And that's breakfast. Get what I'm saying? Yeah man, so right now we just there at Bill and I'm going to check in back with you know when the day start up properly, you know what I mean? So yeah man, mad move. Hello.
Hi.
What's for breakfast?
Cereal. It's 12:12 and I'm having cereal for breakfast. Lunch.
Brunch.
Yeah.
I got up soup.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Right now we are here. Yo, the AC. Oh, which one?
You want to not eat?
Me to not eat people, me don't know if you use the Benz.
What that way do me I feel AC now?
Yeah, one that shut it up like that. But yeah, we're there right now. We're about to hit up the pool. You know, Andrew's right there. Sigh. You know, Bay's right there. You know?
Hi.
What you doing? What you doing around here?
Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we about to pull it right now. Yo, ever since me stop smoke, my lips are so sexy. Oh my god.
It is nigga. There's enough people ask me to stop smoking.
Yeah, you should. You work better when you smoke. Yeah man, so there was only to marry the pool. So right now, you don't know we're here. Ricky Fowler in the building.
Yo.
What's going on?
What's going on?
You swimming today?
I don't know.
This one you have everything in the bag, the comb, scissors,
It's that kind of
nail polish, ball.
Nigga, let's take a ride to the beach. Very much show your foot. I don't mean that tell you must. Yo, but
It's so hot.
you weren't post a video and a beer. Yo, like, and the police is gonna be like out there. Are you vibing for real?
So right now we're there, we just reached the pool. We have Ricky over here. You swimming?
I might.
You might.
I might.
How you swimming?
No.
You're not swimming?
No.
You sure you might? Hey, what you doing?
Huh?
You swimming?
Of course.
It's 3 feet right there, 4 feet right there, 6 feet right there. I'm about to get naked, you know? So yeah, big up on yourself. So far. Let me talk to them real quick. So right now, we are here. We just reached the pool. And me swim till me tired already. This water is so delicious. Look here. Me I swim off my beard. Yeah man. The water cool, the water nice. Trabass, where are we on? I doubt me I wonder if my pee are turn blue. Ricky gone home for swim chunks, I presume. I know. But yeah. We're there. I mean I walk in lucky bathroom from Trabass. Oh. Not coming in the water.
No. I didn't come prepared.
Didn't come prepared.
No.
Sucks to be you. What we tell you, we don't show fingers on me.
Go. Engine faster. We don't have to tire. Go on engine. Yeah, look for the man there water. Yeah, bun me should broke me here.
Be careful, breathe.
Your camera record, see that?
You'll be doing
So right now we not water with the GoPro.
right now. I can't hear nothing.
We out
Me
here,
me can't see something. But my phone look. Trabass is doing a bunch of daredevil stuff. He's a daredevil, people. He's crazy, I'm telling you.
Me have video in my neighbor. Oh shit, I went up that here.
You!
I'm so sorry. My bad. Me never know. The mark is set. Go!
Yo, you might not have to put you on that run. Come here, say well on. Me a swim out here and me swim out.
You almost hold me. Come on,
You might shot past me.
Come on, you have to do that. Eh? I need to stop doing that.
We have to hold on me energy now. Remember, say you can't swim in real life, you know.
No, not really.
If my foot couldn't touch the water, I can't swim.
I'm here water and I'm here.
I swim on top of one.
But Ricky video. So right now, Team Trabass or Team Famous? Team Trabass of course. Ready?
Yo,
So you ready?
by the time I go so, him go at 6 out of 3.
So come in and water pump video then.
Booba, you ready?
Let's try.
Do Jaya?
Set. Go. You want to cheat? You look like a mammal?
Trabass a shoot pot of water.
No, yes, yeah.
No. Yes, you're
Come
right.
again, you need one. How serious you got that yourself?
Me not think me can swim pot of water.
So right now we're here. It's time. What?
So right now at night now, we're still there. We not stop swimming out the pool, we swim till the water done.
Hold on, my belly have put me up back.
No man, we cut that long time. Laugh man, laugh. We cut that long time. Show them.
Drink water, underwater.
Show them. Yeah, right now, I want that liquor. My voice back down. Yo, me look pale.
Ready?
Like one pale. Trabass over this are doing liquor. Swimming. If this are the waterproof mode I've shown you. Yeah, me I get sick now. Right. Me jeez. Me go sit on the down right as so.
Come back.
Yo, me jeez, so right now we're there. Trabass phone still mash up. In that swim with it. In that do beer things with it.
We make beer video.
Yeah, we're there with that dust pot. We just ordered some food.
Don't put this in there.
So we are wait for him. Give me $5. Oh, money's around there. Okay. Let me go and get it. Go buy my card in my pocket.
No, it's okay.
No, I don't have any change.
Yeah.
You scrape me.
You don't have any change, you put the card in the pocket.
And you have a bunch of American money around there chilling with balling.
In K bag.
Oh, shiznit.
Shaving cream.
No. You gonna give me the money or not?
I don't look too right.
This is the I don't have my glasses on, I don't look too right.
So right now we're there. Yo, my G's. Don't know reach home. Just jump out and shower while I'm nice, it fresh, you know. My son stuff up. Like me I go get sick. Me I pray for no get sick. Yeah, you know how long me no go in a pool. Long time now me no touch a pool water, you know. Today was fun, today was nice. Not tell a lie, me enjoy myself. I swim, I back flick, I poop, I lick up. I me use them cock up same way. My nose stuff up, my head hurt me. But it was worth it. I had fun and enjoy myself. Right now I need like alcohol to sop up my mole, you know. Wet up my head, sop up my head. Yeah, we stop at Dutch Pot and get some food. So I'm about to consume the food there. I make like a pepper hill that tea, you know. Make some tea and consume my food. Hopefully I feel like a better after that. Yeah, right now I need to show what I do for the rest of the night. 2 hours me go on in and pool till them I know say my body tired, so blue downstairs are gonna be things. I know say once me consume the food and drop it on the bed there, definitely I go drop asleep. And me I go sleep good, me I go sleep nice. The thing is, me have a next video where I actually want on a pre. It's a video with me and Pink. It come from off of the Laugh to Success page, LTS. And me I telling you, make sure you follow the LTS page. Make sure you subscribe to it because we have a surprise on the page very soon. So I'm gonna leave you with that video when me and Pink do for the page. Probably like 2 years ago. You know what I mean? While we dip on memory lane. You know, me just give you a whole video me and Pink do. So enjoy the video and after I done, big up my Jesus. Mad move.
December 7th. The Orby.
That's when I like line up my car and you smell frenzy. I what this man? Chuck. A police, huh? Chuck. I what this? Whoa, sorry. I what this man? I must piss. I boy famous there. See me, come on. Man, you know how long me don't tell my yo. Sure. Wait, we are do. Wait, what?
Oh, you see me hungry, man, yo. One man, I'm not here to tell me about weight. How for them, yeah?
Alright, I feel, eat it.
Give me a smell, so.
It's fresh, it's fresh, man, it's fresh. Fresh.
No, man,
it's fresh.
It's my front, but it tastes good.
If me, I tell you, say it's fresh, dogs. It's fresh.
No, man. Me don't want no more of that. When I get alright, me come up. Nothing enough to wash it down. No drinks, no.
Yeah, see one. Best juice, yeah. Best juice just come out.
This,
Best juice will just come out, dog.
You took some of your youth?
You hear that?
What is?
Don't worry about it, man.
This tastes like guava and sour orange.
You know your juice.
That?
Me, I tell you,
yeah. Kind of fresh still, like you are sweet. Hey, Park, come down, go for Sanka now, no?
Really?
Go pick up Sanka, man. Hold on, do you hear that?
What?
He may barely make a funny noise.
What you talking about, man?
Well, hear that again, hold on.
Drink some more juice.
No, man,
no. More juice you want, man. Drink some.
No, me no feel good.
Drink some more juice.
Hey, me no feel good.
They take out the gas, dogs.
No gas.
Citrus take out gas.
I don't gas, more shit. Me want shit, pull over.
Drink this juice.
You can't even step on me big toe. Pull over. Me want shit.
Drink, we are go.
Wagwan Corporal Brown, you man the transfer work, you need to go get your visa, NYPD. But don't now go on. Make some overtime hours, get no way to make the money. So you know, say I want to me say one little thing I go on, one little place, so me just go around, they go stick them up and take everything and get a joke. No me they put on the case. You know, so from the day I'm not shoot nobody still, but what are they? What's going on there, sir? What are the corporal? You call him back. God, if you make them running belly and go, me go to church Sunday, please. Alright, me go Saturday too, me go Saturday. Me even read Bible study, me read today. I want to go on down there, sir. You know, long more and shoot Smaddy. Smaddy, I got dead. That look like police, sir. Police to rotted. Yeah. You know, long more and kill Smaddy. Went down there. The blood. Shit, the boy down here, shit. Lucky. Alright.
I'll piss in the back and left in your boy. How you do, boy? Me not give back my car. No. I want to get there. No.
Drive.
Oh, you smell that shit, so boy?
It's a drive, police. Drive.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.